Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to discover how investing in your well-being can pay off both physically and financially? Let's explore the financial benefits of prioritizing your wellness journey. 1. Preventive care pays off. Investing in preventive health measures like regular checkups, vaccinations, and screenings can help detect and address health issues early on, saving you from costly medical bills down the road. 2. Boost productivity. A healthy lifestyle translates to higher productivity levels. By nourishing your body with nutritious food, getting enough sleep, and staying active, you'll feel more energized and focused, leading to increased efficiency at work and potentially higher earnings. 3. Reduce healthcare costs. By maintaining a healthy weight, exercising regularly, and avoiding risky behaviors, you can significantly reduce your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and obesity-related conditions, saving thousands of dollars in medical expenses over time. 4. Invest in self-care. Allocate a portion of your budget to self-care activities like gym memberships, nutritious groceries, and stress relief practices such as meditation or yoga. While it may seem like an expense up front, the long-term benefits to your health and finances make it a wise investment. 5. Insurance premium savings. Leading a healthy lifestyle can lead to lower insurance premiums. Many health insurance providers offer discounts or incentives for policyholders who maintain healthy habits, such as quitting smoking or participating in wellness programs. Congratulations! By prioritizing your health and well-being, you're not only enriching your life, but also setting yourself up for financial success. Remember, investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. Here's to a healthier, wealthier future.